Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some groundbreaking news from Meta, formerly known as Facebook. They've just unveiled their latest and most advanced AI technology yet, the Llama 3. But what makes Llama 3 so special, and how does it stand out in the crowded world of AI? Before getting into it, let's listen to what the CEO of Meta, Mark Zuckerberg, said.
All right, big day here. We are releasing the new version of Meta AI, our assistant that you can ask any question across our apps and glasses. And our goal is to build the world's leading AI and make it available to everyone. Now, today we're upgrading Meta AI with Llama, our new state-of-the-art AI model that we're open sourcing. And I'm gonna go deeper on Llama 3 in just a minute, but the bottom line is that we believe that Meta AI is now the most intelligent AI assistant that you can freely use. To make Meta AI even smarter, we've also integrated real-time knowledge from Google and Bing right into the answer. We're also making Meta AI much easier to use across our apps. We built it into the search box that's right at the top of WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger. So anytime you have a question, you can just ask it right there. And we built a new website, meta.ai, for using it from the web. We're also releasing a bunch of unique creation features. Meta AI now creates animations, and it now creates high-quality images so fast that it actually generates and updates the images for you in real time as you're typing. It's pretty wild, and you can go check it out now on WhatsApp or the website. We are investing massively to build a leading AI, and open sourcing our models responsibly is an important part of our approach. The tech industry has shown over and over that open source leads to better, safer, and more secure products, faster innovation, and a healthier market. And beyond improving Meta products, these models have the potential to help unlock progress in fields like science, healthcare, and more. So today, we're open sourcing the first set of our Llama 3 models at 8 billion and 70 billion parameters. They have best-in-class performance for their scale, and we've also got a lot more releases coming soon that are going to bring multimodality and bigger context windows. We're also still training a larger, dense model with more than 400 billion pairs. And to give you a sense of Llama 3's performance, this first release of the 8 billion is already nearly as powerful as the largest Llama 2 model. And this version of the 70 billion model is already around 82 mmLU with leading reasoning and math benchmark. The 400 billion parameter model is currently around 85 mmLU, but it's still training. So we expect it to be industry leading on a number of benchmarks. We're going to write a blog post with more technical details on all of this if you want to go deeper. In the meantime, enjoy Meta AI and let me know what you think.
Meta has taken the AI world by storm with the release of Llama 3, introducing not one, but two models in this new family, the Llama 3 8B and the Llama 3 70B. These models are not just numbers. They represent a major leap in AI capabilities, with 8 billion and 70 billion parameters, respectively. For those who might not know, parameters essentially measure an AI model's ability to understand and generate human-like text. The higher the number, the more sophisticated the model. Meta claims that these models are among the best performing AI models out there, and they've got the benchmarks to back it up. Llama 3 has outperformed competitors in multiple AI benchmarks, including MLU for measuring knowledge, ARC for skill acquisition, and drop for text reasoning. Llama 370B beats Gemini 1.5 Pro on MMLU, Human Evil, and GSM 8K, and while it doesn't rival Anthropic's most performant model, Claude 3 Opus, Llama 370B scores better than the second weakest model in the Claude 3 series, Claude 3 Sonnet, on 5 benchmarks, MMLU, GPQA, Human Evil, GSM 8K, and Math. Meta also developed its own test set covering use cases ranging from coding and creative writing to reasoning to summarization, and surprise, Llama 370B came out on top against Mistral's Mistral Medium model, OpenAI's GPT 3.5, and Claude Sonnet. Meta says that it gated its modeling teams from accessing the set to maintain objectivity, but obviously, given that Meta itself devised the test, the results have to be taken with a grain of salt. Meta also says that users of the new Llama models should expect more steerability, a lower likelihood of refusing to answer questions, and higher accuracy on trivia questions, questions about history and STEM fields such as engineering and science, and general coding recommendations. That's in part thanks to a much larger dataset. A collection of 15 trillion tokens, or a mind-boggling approximately 750 billion words, 7 times the size of the Llama 2 training set. In the AI field, tokens refers to subdivided bits of raw data like the syllables fan, tas, and tick in the word fantastic. This dataset wasn't easy to compile. Meta sourced it from publicly available materials and included a significant amount of code and non-English data to improve the model's performance across different languages and tasks. They've even included synthetic data to train the models on longer documents, a method that sparked some debate in the AI community. Specifically, the Llama 3.8b model has outshone others like Mistral's 7b and Google's Gemma 7b across 9 benchmarks. Even more impressive, the Llama 370b model has beaten Google's flagship Gemini 1.5 Pro in areas like human evaluation and math word problems. Meta hasn't ignored the ethical implications of such powerful technology. They've updated their safety suites, Llama Guard, and Cyber Sysevil to prevent misuse of the Llama 3 models. Plus, they're introducing a new tool, Code Shield, to detect potentially harmful code generated by these AI models. But as we know, no system is perfect, and the real test will come as these models are put to use in the wild. All right, so let me tell you about this new thing from Meta. They've just launched something super cool called Meta AI, and honestly, it's like having a genius friend in your pocket. They're saying it's now the most intelligent AI assistant out there, and guess what? It's totally free. So here's the scoop. Meta AI is this smart assistant that's built on Llama 3. It's seriously impressive tech. What this means is, Meta AI can help you out with all sorts of things. Need to figure out what to make for dinner with just a few ingredients left at home? Meta AI's got you. Stuck on your homework? It's like having your tutor. But it's not just about being smart. Meta AI is also super easy to use because it's integrated into all the Meta apps most of us already use: Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, and even its own website. So whether you're chatting with friends or scrolling through your feed, you can just pop a question to Meta AI without skipping a beat. And there's more. Meta AI isn't just about words and answers. It can create images almost like magic. Say you're brainstorming ideas for your band's new album cover or just want some fun GIFs. Meta AI can whip these up for you in real time. You type, and it creates. It's like it's reading your mind and painting a picture at the same time. Now they're rolling out this bad boy in the US first, but it's going to be available in loads of other countries too. And the cool part? This isn't just for English speakers. They're making it super inclusive, breaking down language barriers so more folks can use it. Behind all this wizardry is the Llama 3 model. It's the brain behind Meta AI, making it so fast and smart. It's about understanding us better, helping us out, and even sparking our creativity. And the future. It looks like Meta AI will be popping up in even more gadgets and places. So yeah, Meta AI is like that friend who's always there to help, inspire, and make things easier. And now it's smarter than ever. I'm pretty excited to see how it's going to change things for us. It's like we're stepping into a new era where technology is not just helpful, but also understands us. How cool is that? Looking ahead, Meta is not stopping here. They're already working on even more capable models, including those with over 400 billion parameters. These future models aim to understand multiple languages, process more data, and even recognize images alongside text. It's clear that Meta is pushing the boundaries of what AI can do, aiming to make Llama 3 not just multilingual, but multimodal. So, what does all this mean for us? The launch of Llama 3 is not just a step forward for Meta, but a leap for the field of AI. With these advancements, we're getting closer to AI that can understand and interact with us in ways we've only imagined, but as with any technology, it's crucial to keep an eye on the implications and ensure it's used responsibly. We'll be keeping a close watch on Llama 3 and its impact on the world of AI. If you're as excited as we are about the future of AI, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more updates. Until next time, keep exploring.